Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Got another rare one for you. 1971 Boss 351, black, white interior. Only 5 built in this color combo. This one's got some good options. You can see the front spoiler, rear spoiler. White interior Decor Group. Matching numbers drivetrain on this one. So this is the top dog in 1971. I don't think you're gonna see one with more eyeballs. I don't think you're gonna see one in a better color combo. So we're really happy to have this one here at Nate's Classic Cars. So we'll take you a stroll around. See that Argent front spoiler. This one does have Magnum 500s put on it here. Really gives it a much better look. Obviously with all Boss 351s, you got the ram air. Boss 351 decals down the side. Obviously you can see all the paint on this one's beautiful. The body lines are beautiful. Take a stroll around, show you that Carlite glass throughout on this. See it? Beautiful black paint job. Firestone wide ovals, which is what this one came with. Detailed throughout, top to bottom. We did have to drive this one with some wet roads, so you might see just a little remnants of that, so we apologize for that. But it's been raining the last week here, and this is a little bit of dry weather, so we got out here and decided to try to show you this one today. As you can see, beautiful all the way around. Let me get under here, pop the hood. As you can see, extremely well detailed and sorted. This is matching numbers drivetrain. Car was restored a few years ago and done superbly. See that original radiator. This does have the Holley intake and Holley carburetor on it currently. Back at the shop, we do have the original intake and the original carburetor that would have come on this. See, this is the Ford intake that took the Holley. Obviously, those carburetors weren't worth a dang, but they are very valuable these days. So we do have that with this car. This one's got it all. So top to bottom, this one has it all. It's one of the best restored Boss 351s I've ever had, and also one of the best I've ever seen, top to bottom, and it does not get any better than this color combo. These 351 Clevelands run excellently. Strong runners, fast cars. Really a hoot to drive, and we'll get in this one here in a bit and take you down the road, so you'll get to see it. Won't go too fast today. There you can see the door tag, obviously. It is an R code, and obviously it does have a 351 gear. So all original interior. You can see these original door panels with the original carpet on the bottom. Original seat covers. Very hard to find with white interior. See, 73,000 miles on this one, so it did get driven. Got a Hurst 4-speed shifter. Makes it a dream to drive. Original carpet still in this one, so you can see that weave. And you can see that rear back seat and the original seat belts there. Original seat belts here. All original interior. Beautiful condition. We can take you around to the other side, and then we'll show you the trunk before we hop in it and fire it up. So, got the center gauges. All original interior. Beautifully restored car. I think one of the biggest things is having that original interior, especially when it comes to white gut cars. Pretty cool photo back in the day here. Years ago when it was at a car show, we decided to put that in for you guys. So as you can see, these got the splatter paint in the trunk. This one has that. This is the front license plate bracket. As it would have been delivered, it would have been delivered back here, pending needing it, depending on the state you're in. F7814 spare, original jack and handle there. Over here's the Marti report. This is an elite Marti report. So there, you can see this is a one-of-one car. Only 5 of these were made with white interior, and this is the only one that received a rear spoiler. And here it is. So this was actually delivered to North Carolina, and then it breaks it all down there for you. So pretty rare 1971 Boss 351 here at Nate's Classic Cars, and we're happy to have it. So we're gonna get in, fire it up, we'll take it down the road, get you back to the shop, and show you the bottom side of this one. All right, we're gonna fire this one up. 351 Cleveland, matching numbers drivetrain in this one. Runs, drives good. So here we go. As you can see, fires right up. Runs quiet. We talked about it before, but a lot of good original pieces on this, so take a peek around. Extremely well detailed here at Nate's Classic Cars. The original radiator, obviously, the distributor. We got the carburetor back at the shop. The original, hard to find, but you can just see how well detailed this one is all the way around. Obviously runs and drives a lot better with that Holly setup. We'll give it a few revs. As you can see, sounds good. We'll take you around to the back, let you hear the exhaust a little bit. Sounds good. All right, we'll hop in and take it for a little spin. All right, we're in this rare black white gut Boss 351. Paul's gonna take off. See that tack working? See other gauges working. We're gonna take off down the road. A little wet out here. We don't want to get the car too dirty, so we'll take it easy today, but we will get through, you know, the gears here. So smooth shift in a second. Take her nice and easy and get her through all the gears. So now we're in 3rd gear. As you can see, not a rattle trap. Runs, drives good. In 4th gear now. Look at that beautiful white interior in this thing. Original interior. Boss 351s, great running and driving cars, especially when they're set up like this. Obviously, we got the original carburetor and intake with it, but it's got the Holly set up on it now, and damn, does it really run good. So we'll get it back to the shop, get it on the lift, and show you guys the bottom side. Here we go. All right, we're back at the shop. Got her on the lift, and we'll show you just how damn nice this one is. As you can see, all detailed on the suspension. Detailed all the way throughout. Batch paint. See the color codes throughout. All the bare steel components are bare steel. Original trans. With the tag. See the correct blue oversprays on the bell housing. You can see the original oil pan. All the original parts throughout. Even got a NOS Motorcraft oil filter that was put on this one. Rods are all plated correctly, including the lockout rod. Detailed center section. Color codes on the rear end. Still has the tie down brackets, both sides. As you can see, this is extremely well sorted. Boss 351. One of the best Boss 351s you're gonna find out there. Not only that, it is the best color combo you're gonna find with the black, white interior. We're happy to have it here in Nate's Classic Cars. One of the rarest Boss 351s built. One of the best that you're gonna find out there today. Definitely the best one on the market. We're happy to have it here. Reach out to us if you need some more info. This one's listed at $149,900. We're looking forward to talking to you.